Simula nung pumasok ako sa UP o dito sa engineering, siya na yung dean ng college. So, una, I can't imagine Eng without Dinaw. Dahil siya yung nagsilbing inspiration, hindi lang sa aming students, kundi sa lahat na rin ng leaders and faculty ng engineering na maging good sa ginagawa.
I first encountered Dean Au personally during the turnover when I was a CG representative. That was last term. And the first thing that she said was that she had to go, and she had to go early because it was her son's birthday. And the first thing that registered to me was she is a mother for her children. And during my terms of service in the Engineering Student Council, that was when I realized that she's not just a mother to her children, but she was also a mother to the college. She was the dean who was very receptive of our ideas na, Dean, ito po yung problema na nakikita namin sa kolehiyo at ito po yung mga solusyon na gusto namin ibigay sa mga estudyante. And she was very receptive of it. She was the dean who listens to the problems of the students and who actually shares her ideas. So, to me, Dean Au is not just the mother of her children, she's also a mother to the college. Not just to me, I believe, but also to the whole college as well.
Para sa akin, si Dean Au ang naging ilaw ng engineering. Naging ilaw ng tahanan natin dito sa College of Engineering ng libo-libong mga engineering students. Sa 3 taon ko sa Engineering Student Council, sabi ko na siya yung naging nanay namin, si ESE, na patuloy na tumutulong sa amin sa mga projects, events, mga programs na ginagawa namin para mapabuti. Lagi namin binabago lahat ng insights niya, kaya para kay Dean Au, I know hindi ito yung end. We will be meeting you soon, hopefully on a different occasion, and we hope all the best on your upcoming endeavors.
Inspiration.
Heartwarming.
Mother.